Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pho at home. Start by roasting bones and aromatics to deepen flavor, then simmer gently for hours and skim foam regularly to keep broth clear and clean. Layering flavors matters. Roast bones, char aromatics, and toast spices to coax depth from each element. Balance salt and sweetness slowly while skimming impurities. Taste often and adjust seasoning to keep the broth bright and nuanced for serving. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you simmer broth. It fits cup holders and has a reliable leak-proof lid. I use it during long cooks, and it keeps water cold without condensation. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Prepare bowls with noodles and thinly sliced meat, then ladle steaming broth so meat finishes cooking. Arrange herbs, lime, sprouts, and chilies for guests to customize. Serve immediately so noodles stay springy and broth stays clear and aromatic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.